Since Ukraine accepted the non-conditional ceasefire, Russia's attacks have only increased. Last weekend we saw the deadliest single attack on Ukrainian children since the start of the full-scale invasion. So our condolences for that.
All right, I would like everybody to be seated because we will be starting the press conference.
Ukraine will soon receive the rest from the first tranche of windfall profits. It is 1.4 billion euro from Russian immobilized assets. We aim for the second tranche, 2.1 billion euro, to be delivered gradually from the end of this month.
Questions for the High Representative. I wonder if I could have your reaction.
And today we signed also 5 new agreements with Ukraine. These cover everything from rebuilding Ukraine's energy infrastructure to participating in our Copernicus satellite program. Since the last EU-Ukraine Association Council, we have also made good progress in screening process of Ukrainian legislation for compatibility with the European law, and this is the first stage of accession negotiations.
Україною і Європейським Союзом. Дякую.
Ми велику увагу приділили цьому питанню. На всіх рівнях проговорили важливість продовження автономних торгових заходів до кінця цього року.
The Commission is fully committed to enlargement, and this is